Attention devotees. As excitement builds for the historic Ram Temple inauguration in Ayodhya on 22nd January, be aware of scams exploiting devotees' trust. Here's a list of scams that you must know to avoid getting looted by cybercriminals. 1. Getting free VIP passes for Ram Mandir. A message promising free VIP entry is doing the rounds on WhatsApp. Scammers use APK files. Installing these files can compromise your personal data, passwords, and even allow hackers to control your phone remotely. 2. Seeking funds for Ram Temple. Watch out for fake social media pages seeking funds and verify before contributing. 3. Don't fall for free prasad claims from unverified websites like Hadi Organic. To protect yourself, avoid clicking on any suspicious links, report suspicious pages and verify information with official sources like Ayodhya Ram Mandir Trust. Let's spread awareness. Share this video with your friends to keep them safe from this scam. Stay vigilant, stay informed. Thank you for watching.